Lights, camera, action!
You know, I was talking to the Sandman the other night, and this is what I said. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream, make his complexion like pizza and cream, give him two lips, like roses and clover, then tell me that my lonesome nights are over. Mr. Sandman, I'm so alone, don't have nobody fit to call my own. Give him two lips, like roses and clover, then tell me that my lonesome nights are over. Please turn on your magic beam, Mr. Sandman, bring me, please, please bring me, Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Well, look at here, now where did you come from? You're a dream come true, you know that? A regular dreamboat. Every night I hope and pray a dreamy lover would come my way. I gotta hold it in my arms and know the magic of his charms. I want a boy to call my own. I want a dream lover so I don't have to dream alone. 'Cause I don't like to, honey. You know, that's not a dimple. She don't like to dream alone. Well, everybody, it was sure nice taking you all on a tour of dreamland. Now I gotta go off and have a few sweet dreams.